Trade down now. BTC USD. Trade down now on BTC USD.
All right. Let's see what's going on. Welcome, you guys, to another live. I'm here every single day doing live trades and showing you guys how I make money daily. Make sure to give me a follow. Join the Discord link in my bio. Get access to a ton of information and knowledge. And it's a great place to hang out and learn without having to pay anything. Hey, Isaac, good morning. We are in a trade right now with BTC USD in a short position. We'll see how this plays out. As always, use those stop losses, take profits, and protect your account at all cost as possible by only using 1% or less of your account. Always using that risk management. Hey, Robert Wayne, thank you for joining again. Good morning. How are you guys doing? We're watching BTC USD in a short position. As always, when you guys are trading, make sure that you're not using too much of your account. Always be consistent with your strategy. Never trade with your emotions, and do not trade just because you're bored, right? You do these things, you will help protect your account. It's always about protecting your capital at the end of the day. Again, you never know what the market's going to do as it changes every second of every day. We are just looking for small trades to jump into. Again, we're using a 5-minute time frame here, using stop losses, using take profit. Just looking for a $50 trade, but we do 50 to 100 points. Again, we're using the range bars here, the RSI and the PSAR. If you want to know any more information, please follow me and join the Discord link in my bio. There's a ton of information in there on how to use the range bars and how to use this setup that I currently have running. I said all that stuff is in the Discord as well. We do watch like Bitcoin and watching Ethereum, gold as well, Tesla, US 500. These are all things that I do like to watch here on a daily. We do have cryptos, stocks, forex, and indices here on the range bars. If you've never seen these before, these move off of points and not time. Like I said, they're not time-based candles. They only move when the market is moving in a certain direction. Again, they're very linear and easy to read, right? They don't have all these different sizes. They stay consistent all the time. You're just looking for reversals from like green to red. And that's really all it is. It's not super complicated. Like I said, that link is in my bio. So we're in profit right now on BTC USD. Again, we're in a short position. The RSI is under the 50. The PSAR are the dots here. They are on top, saying that we're trending down. And then we have the range bars here again. We went from green and we just reversed to red. So we're continuing down, just looking for about 10 bars. Equals about 50 points here. Hey, Daniel Villa, what's going on? Des Mahoney, ISS Ernie, and user 3387. And Bo Photo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome to my live. All right, we're still in profit, moving down nicely. Again, we'll see if we hit that take profit. These are always set in place so that you don't have to be concerned with your trade. The stop loss is in there to protect your capital so that you don't lose more than you're willing to in your trade, and your take profit, it is there so that you don't get greedy, FOMO out, any of that kind of stuff. It's already in play and it will automatically sell for you. You don't have to do anything else. Like I said, the range bars here, again, they have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. So I have Bitcoin and Litecoin, Ethereum, and XRP. The indices will have gold and oil, the Russell, Nasdaq, S&P. Stocks will have Google and Facebook, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. And then Forex, we have 6 different Forexes. I use the EUR USD on a regular basis. If you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. All right, so that's in play right now. Chavilla is here. What's going on? Hey, not much. In a trade with Bitcoin, in a short position here as Bitcoin has been dropping. It's been crazy. I just watched it drop from 48 all the way down to 38 in the last this last week or so. This last week, it's been totally nuts. But we're able to make money going both ways, right? So this is derivative trading. It's not futures or options. Just derivative trading, which means that you can make money going up with the market and you can make money going down with the market. So you're able to do both, which is also another.
Trade down now, ETH USD. Trade down now on ETH USD.
So trade down now on ETH is what that's saying right now as well. So again, if we go to the range bars here, let's see 5-minute time frame. So the PSAR is still on top. So telling a pullback is all that's saying right now. But it's in a long position, so be looking for this to turn a green bar, and then we'd be able to ride that up as the overall trend here is slowly moving in the up direction. The RSI is still under the 50 though, so we'd be watching that as well. And altogether, we make an informed decision with those multiple items, right? With the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars, all flowing the same direction to give us an overall idea of what the market might do. Because again, you never know what it'll do as it changes every second of every day. Just because there's patterns there doesn't mean it's the same as the one before it, because there's always new traders coming in with different amounts. So just because it looks the same, it isn't. Humans like to look for patterns. That's just the way we're based, but it doesn't mean that it's actually the same. So again, that's why we always use that stop loss when we're making a trade, because again, it could change at any moment. If you guys have any more questions on anything I'm doing, please hit me up. Also, go to the link in my bio. You can join the Discord. Like I said, there's a whole bunch of information on the stuff that I'm doing here. It's all absolutely free. It doesn't cost anything at all. All right, so we're in a trade right now in profit with BTC USD. We are trading on TradeXN is the name of the broker here as well. No trading fees and low spreads. So as you see, we're still moving down here from green to red, right? So the red is still continuing in its short position pattern. We're just keeping an eye on that. Again, these have audio signals as well. Again, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. It's always important to remember when it comes with trading and risk management, the way that we manage our risk is by making sure we're always risking less than 1% of our account. Right, so I have 27,000 here. I'm only risking 1% or just under. So I'm only doing like $50 to $100 trades on $27,000. I treat this like a business. I'm careful with it. I make smaller trades. If I lose it, it's not going to blow my account. I can always make another trade. The range bars help with that too. Is they have a 61% win rate. Right, and these have been tested for like 50 years back testing, and that's why I can say they have a 61% win rate. If you see guys that say they do 90 to 100% win rate, it's not true. They're just trying to take your money on some kind of monthly fee or something, subscription, right, to access their stuff, or they're selling a book or they're selling something else, but they're using your money another way for them. I'm not charging anything for anything that I'm doing here. It's all absolutely free. I just want to show people how to do this stuff to protect their accounts, maybe like help them get off their 9-to-5 job and just be able to trade consistently. But that being said, to do something like that, you need like $10,000 to $50,000 to do that, to be able to make, a couple $100 a day. If you're just trying to learn and start out new, like $1,000 to $5,000 is a good starting point. You can trade with pennies, just a couple of dollars, like 0.01% on your volume here, and that will allow you to just trade smaller amounts and not risk your whole entire $5,000. So again, It's all about risk management and protecting your capital at all times. So we're in profit right now, up $20. If you're following along, congratulations. We're just moving right along here. Again, we're watching those range bars, watching the PSAR. The RSI is under the 50, like I said.
Trade down now. XRP.
Trade down now on
Trade down
XRP.
now on
That is giving that audio signal as well. We're up $32 on BTC USD. Just looking for a $50 profit. Hopefully you guys are in the trade as well and be able to make some gains there. If you could please hit that like button, it does help out my algorithm for TikTok. I would appreciate that as well. Let's see, the main market, stock market, will be opening in 45 minutes. Maybe we can catch a trade or so with Tesla, maybe Amazon, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple. So a couple options that we can look at too when it gets a little bit closer. In the meantime, we can trade with Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on with gold. We can always check out gold. Gold has been uptrending. It just broke under the 20, under the 50. PSAR is on top. And gold, let's see. Let me go live on that. That is pulling back, has a little bit of a pullback. I might be able to jump in on gold, matter of fact. That would be a good one to jump into this morning as well. So one, let's see. That's 0.1. All right. Yeah, I'm going to jump in on gold. Okay. And that is what, that's $5 if I'm right. All right, so we're already in profit. We were on profit. I think I have to move that higher. I always forget my values here. I think that was negative 25. Yeah. Okay. And this one is 25. There we go. So congratulations, you guys. We did hit profit on Bitcoin. So we just made that $50 there again. Just using the PSAR, the range bars as well, and the RSI, right? And that gave us a direction of which way the market was going. Again, you never know which way it's going to go 100%.
Trade up now. BTC USD.
But you're going off of the indicators to just get an idea. Again, the range bars here is my primary, and it only moves off points and not time. So I'm just looking for which way the market is actually trending due to points. So that's why we just made that trade BTC. Again, it had a long trend down, had this pullback, and may continue down as well. And that's why with gold, we were watching that. We had this downtrend, had a small pullback. I jumped in. And the PSAR is on top, and then the RSI was heading down under the 50 as well, so that's why we're currently in that trade. And again, welcome you guys to my live. It's dead in here, wow. If you guys have any questions, please hit me up. Looks like a slow morning this morning. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see about Euro USD, what's going on. Forex is open all the time too. They're almost all the time. That is moving up. Let's see what the hourly is doing. So the hourly, we're trending up. We said that pullback, that's moving up. Looks like it's about to break 1.091. So if anything, I'm looking for a long positions here. Let's see what EURUSD is doing. Alright, like I said, these have audio signals as well. Yeah, so those just reversed also, so that might actually be a good one to jump into. Let's see, what's EURUSD? It's 0.24.
Trade up now. GBP USD.
Alright, let's see. What was my stop loss on that? That 1 bar. Yeah, it's like 25.
Trade down now. BTC USD. Trade down now on BTC.
Trade down now on BTC USD. Again, those are those audio signals. Alright, so we are in trades with gold in a short position. We're in a trade with EURUSD. We just got out of a trade with Bitcoin. Again, we're just using the RSI, the PSAR here, and then the range bars. Again, these only move off of points and not time. Also, where it's when we're trading, it's a 1-to-1 ratio, right? That means we set our stop loss at 50 points. We'll also set our take profit at 50. The reason for this is we don't want to get kicked out of our trade too early. Most traders set their stop loss just way too tight, and then they set the market has a pullback, which results in them just getting kicked out of their trades. It's very normal for traders who set their stop loss too tight to keep hitting it over and over, and then just watch the market go to their profit, except they had been kicked out of the trade already, and so they didn't make any money. So it's really advisable to give the market enough room to breathe for you to be able to stay in trades. Like I said, if it's too tight, you're just going to get knocked out over and over again. And so the reason I come live is because I want to be able to learn and be very consistent, and I'm now doing really well with my strategy. So wanted to share the knowledge with you guys. Also, please use my referral codes, and it helps as I make a commission as well. And it's a win-win scenario, is y'all get to learn for free and also make amount of commission on that as well. So like I said, it's a win-win for everybody. So we're in profit with EURUSD right now. That is moving on up. And then still watching gold here. We'll see how that plays out. Again, once my take profit and stop loss are in place, I just let them do their thing because it will automatically sell for me. I don't have to do anything else. I can just continue looking for other trades as I go. So it is important to, like I said just a little while ago, it's really important to understand that anyone who really wants to make it in trading will need at least $10,000 to $50,000. The reason for this is we make small percentage gains on a regular basis, and a 1% gain on 10,000 is just is $100. So when practicing and testing strategies, I used to start off with like 1 to 5,000, right, just as a starting point. And I could do a ton of trades at like 0.01. Practice trades that's worth around like 50 cents to $1, depending on where you set your stop loss and take profit. It's just what it is too. It's being consistent, right, with your trading over and over again. Doing this for a longer position. Like I said, I've been doing this for like 3 years now. I've been trading with TradeXN for 2 years. But it's been a consistent basis of trading is what has really helped me out. I'm not changing strategies all the time. I'm sticking with one consistent strategy over a longer period of time, and that's what has really helped me out. All right, so we are in profit right now at EURUSD. As you can see here, we are moving on up. Now, hopefully we will hit our profit here. Just looking for a $25 profit, only using a small percentage of our of our balance, right? So only using like 1% of our balance when making our trades. Again, doing over a longer period of time is how we make those consistent profits. Again, if you guys would like to learn more, just follow me along. You can also join my Discord link as well. That is in my bio. Where we have a ton of information on everything that I'm doing here. And again, the Discord is absolutely free, doesn't cost anything. These range bars are free as well, so you can check those out. Also, or you can go to futurecapitaltrading.net. You can get them for free as well. And I always emphasize that I'm not selling anything, no courses, no bots, no paid sessions. I'm just trying to grow my Discord community, so make sure you give me a follow. Again, join the Discord link in my bio. Also, I do make a commission on the side when you guys register using my link, so I would appreciate it if you do that for sure. Again, this is TradeXN is the name of the broker here. No trading fees and low spreads. Like I said, I've been with TradeXN for 2 years now. I've never had any issues with them. I know multiple people that use them, and then they've been a real consistent broker. So if you're looking for a new type of broker that's not going to kill you on fees and commissions and all that, then definitely check out TradeXN. All right, to everybody who's just joining, welcome to my live. I'm here trading daily. Please feel to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Hey, Eastern Front, what is going on? We got 4 people in the room. If you guys could hit that like button up here, again, I would appreciate it. That does help out my algorithm. I think we had like 3,000 likes yesterday, and now we're sitting at 2. That's awesome. It just shows every single day is different. You never know how things are going to work out, even here on TikTok. Some days we're really busy, and some days it's just quiet. All right, so we're still in that profit with EURUSD. All right, what's going on with gold? Gold is getting a little bit of a pullback here, but we'll see if it will continue down. Again, we have that PSAR on top. The RSI is sitting right around 50. Again, we jumped into that trade with gold. It looks like it's starting to trend back down again, which is awesome. So we'll see if that will push back down and keep us into profits. Hey, Wealth Bros, what is going on? Let's see, okay. S&P 500, what time's it? Well, we still got, what, a half hour? Oops, that's 100.
Trade up now on USD. Trade up now.
Oh, SPY, that's
USD.
100. Depending on how you're trading, because people always say that, well, what's it doing? Well, it depends on how you're trading. On the 1 hour, did we just get knocked out of that trade? Yeah, we got knocked out with gold. All right, let's see. So 1 hour, it's trending up, right? It's been trending up. PSAR is on the bottom, but we are oversold on the RSI as well. If we go to, so this depends on how you're trading, but on the 5 minute, we're under the PSAR now, so it's said no heading down. We're to 50 and dropping, so it's possible for this morning that this will continue down, but we'll see what happens when the market opens. But right this very minute, it's dropping, so it could end up being a short position day. So if that's what you're looking for, it looks like we're going to trend down this morning. Yeah, we'll see, because it's oversold, so I would expect this to reverse. Just depends. Let's see the 4 hour. 4 hours still pulling up. They tried to do a pullback and continued up on the 4 hour. So like I said, it depends on how you're trading. On the hour, we're still moving on up here, so we will see. But like I said, it depends on how you're trading. But right now it's dropping in the short term. All right, so EUR USD, we're still in profit here, looking close to hitting our position. Hopefully we'll hit that here shortly. Again, just using the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars here to make our decisions. These also have audio signals. Like I said, these only move off of points and not time. So they don't, just because 5 minutes went by doesn't mean that these are going to move. If the market's flat, they'll basically just sit here. And right now it's showing like BTC is trending up right now. And then if we go to, we're trading EUR USD still. EUR, that is showing uptrend as well. Wealth Bros. Oh, now you want NVIDIA. Let's see. NVIDIA is still closed for another half hour. Day chart, right? Moving up. Last 5 minutes. It's going to need to break that higher high, 602.50, but it's trending up right now. Let's see. Yeah, if I do RSI, RSI, it's coming up to, well, it's on the 5 minute. Just depends again how you're trading. It's hitting the PSAR on downtrend set on the 1 hour. Looks like it's trying to break out. If it will break this higher high on the 1 hour. Come on, where's my? There's 603.10. If it breaks that, it might continue up. But right now, it's trending sideways. Hey, Brain, Song, what's going on? All right, so we're about $5 away from hitting our profit here on EUR USD. $4, almost $3. We're almost there. Let's see if we'll hit that. Again, we have that stop loss and take profit in place to protect our accounts, and again, to keep us from FOMOing, getting greedy, all that kind of stuff. I just have my stuff in place, so if it hits it, it automatically sells. I don't have to keep watching the screen, being afraid that I missed a move. So again, it automatically does it for us, which is really beneficial. All right, let's see, BTC USD, that is still trending down. So we made a short position on that just a little bit ago. We'll see if we can continue up here as well. See if we can catch a reversal, maybe going long. All right, let's see what we got going on here. So it had already pulled back, is continuing on up. We'll see if we can, again, break. We got to break this 50, got to break the PSAR reversal, and then match that up with a pullback or something on the range bars, and we can maybe catch a long position there as well. Hey, Penny Stacks, what's going on? Like the name. Stack one penny at a time. All right, that was USD, JPY. Again, audio signals. That looks like that is trending up on USD, JPY. Trade down now, GBP USD.
Trade down now, Euro USD.
Trade down now, Euro USD. So it's getting a pullback here on our Euro USD trade. We're almost there to make profit and got a little of a pullback. Like I said, hopefully we will hit that and make profit. So again, I use TradeXN as the name of my broker here, and I use them because I have zero commission trades and very low spread, so I can make money on trading fees. I can save money on trading fees, excuse me. And when it comes to trading, it's all about finding the broker with the lowest fees, right? Because at the end of the day, that's where these different brokers make their money, is off all the different fees commissions, all that kind of stuff. So if you can save your money off that, then you'll have more money in your account to trade with. So that's always a really good idea as well. If you guys could please hit that like button, hit the screen a couple of times, I would appreciate it. We're literally sitting at 2 likes. I've been on here for half an hour. So I would appreciate that. Please make sure to give me a follow, join the Discord link in my bio. Like I said, there's a ton of information there, including short videos on how to do stop losses, take profit, risk management, and more. Also join the community where we're all learning and benefiting together, and you can chat with me there as well. Like I said, I'm in there every single day. Best part of it all, it's free and you never have to pay anything to learn. Hey Andy, what is going on? Welcome to my live. All right, we are still in profit here with EUR USD moving on up. Let's see, what is Bitcoin doing? Waiting to see if Bitcoin is going to catch a reversal long position here. Again, watching the 5-minute time frame. Using the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars. If you've never seen the range bars before, these move off of points and not time. So just because 5 minutes have gone by doesn't mean that a new bar has to form. It only forms bars when we're getting a reversal. So like that, we just got a audio signal on BTC USD as this is pulling back here. Again, still following the trend of the PSAR. That's exactly what it's for. So again, we'll see if that will continue down.
Trade down now. USD JPY.
Trade down now, USD JPY. Again, I don't like to jump into trade when it's already a good way through because, like I said, it's already trending, could easily flip and go the other way. So we wait for reversals. Hey, Marcus Charles, what is going on? Welcome to my live. For everybody that's just joining, welcome to the live. I'm here trading every day. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. So we're in a trade right now with EUR USD in a long position.
Trade up now. USD.
I had a little bit of a pullback here on EUR
Trade
USD.
down now, ETH USD. Trade down now on ETH USD.
Trade down now on ETH USD. Yeah, as you can see on EUR USD, we're getting this pullback right now. Again, these only move off points and not time, so it doesn't care that 5 minutes have gone by. It's showing that we are getting that pullback, but we're getting a green bar, so this could just be a pullback, and then we'll continue on up. See if we can make that $25 trade. I'm all out of my coffee this morning already. Yeah, I will be on here for another 25 minutes, and then I've got to jump off and I've got to get ready for work. But I do like to come on here every single day. I come on for at least an hour if I can, make a couple of trades, and then head to my job. If you guys have any questions, please hit me up as well. Definitely check out the Discord. Like I said, it's got a ton of information in there. It's slowly growing every day. What we got going on here? Let's see.
Trade down now, AUD USD.
All right.
Trade up now. USD CAD.
And like I said, I have a whole bunch of training videos in here on how to use the range bars, how to use the PSAR, stop losses, put and take profits, withdrawing money, putting money on TradeXN, how to install it. All this stuff is in the link in my bio in my Discord. How to use a VPN if you don't have one as well. All that is free to use. It doesn't cost anything. All right, what's going on here? All right, EUR USD still having a pullback here. Hopefully it will reverse and continue on up. But like I always say, you never know what the market's going to do, and that's exactly why I always have that stop loss and take profit in place to protect my account all the time. How do I get rid of this stupid? All right. Avis Metro guy. What is going on? Are you using your Avis account? They're Mr. Metro. All right. So again, I'm trading on TradeXN is the name of the broker here. No trading fees and no commissions as well. And they have really low spreads as well. If you go against other different brokers, they have fees, they have higher spreads. If you can save money on your spreads and fees, then that's just more money that you can put into your trades. If you guys have any questions, please hit me up. So we're currently in a trade with EUR USD in a long position, just looking for a $25 trade. Again, only trading with a small percentage of our account, just under 1%, doing consistent trades every day so that we don't blow all the money in our account. If you have any questions, definitely hit me up. Check out the link in my bio. Again, where I have a ton of information on how to use the range bars here, how to use the PSAR, the RSI, again, the range bars. And again, we always set that stop loss and take profit in place to protect our capital at all times. So we always know what we are risking and then what it is that we can win as well in our trade. Again, we're always protecting our capital all the time. At the end of the day, it's all about making gains on our balance without blowing our accounts. All right, we got like just under a half hour and then the stock market will be open. So we're all in pre-market right now, right? Hey, Ollie Monroe, what is going on? Welcome to my live. I said, please give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. There's a ton of information there, including short videos on how I set up my stop losses, my take profit, doing my risk management and more. And also join the community where we have... we're all learning together and we have a benefit from it as well. And you can always chat with me there as well. Like I'm in the Discord every single day with new information or whatever. So and if you could please hit that like button up here, I would appreciate it. We're literally sitting at 9 likes. That's absolutely crazy. Hey, Ollie Monroe. So the range bars you can get by going to the link in my bio. Or you can go to futurecapitaltrading.net and you can sign up for them that way as well. They are free. I promise you, they're free. It just takes an email to sign up, just like every other website out there. If you want to use it, you got to put your email in. And that's really it. Just make sure after you sign up that you go to futurecapitaltrading.net/sign in. Some people seem to get hung up on that, but do /sign in and then you'll get into the account. But that's all it takes. But yeah, they're absolutely free. Again, they only move off of points and not time. So they're not time based. Each bar, like for Bitcoin, is worth 20 points. So I do 50-point trades, 50 to 100-point trades. So 50 points is 10 bars. So the 100-point trade would be 20 bars. Again, these are very linear, right? They're always the same, as you can see. They're not all over the place like the normal candles are, right? They're all different sizes all the time, and it's harder to really see what's going on. These are very linear and they're easy to read. That's why I use them. But yeah, they're free. And if you want to join the Discord, the Discord is free too. It doesn't cost anything. I have a ton of information here on how to do everything that I'm doing right now. I do have some books on trading if you want to look those over, and it's all about the psychology of trading. So I'd recommend looking at those as well. And then I do have, where's it at? Where's my trading tips? So I have a lot of reading material here on trading tips. Again, how to use the range bars. All this stuff is in here. How to do your quantities, your stop losses, all different markets. All that stuff is there for you. So you can check that out too. So I'm just trying to grow the community, just have somewhere to go, and be able to talk about stocks and all that kind of stuff. So we're at 87 members right now. Trying to get to 100 this year, just as a personal goal. Not that it matters financially, just as a personal goal of mine. Wait, she says, Ollie says exactly, I can't see. You can't see what? Oh, you can see. I can see. Yeah. All right, so we're in a trade right now. It's EUR USD. We are currently in profit with that. Just trying to make a $25 trade.
Trade up now, BTC.
Trade up now on BTC USD. So it just changed from red to green. Right, it's very linear again. They just move off of points and not time. Oh, also, Ollie, make sure that you scroll over the screen here and you hit make sure that live button is clicked and it's red, and then turn your audio signal on. Make sure it's not muted. So you get those audio signals as well. All right. Let's see, what is Bitcoin doing here? All right, so 5-minute time frame. So again, we use the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars together. So that was a pullback,
Trade down now.
and it's going to
BTC
continue
USD.
down. As you can see,
Trade
we are
down
already
now
trending
on
down
BTC
on
USD.
with the PSAR. So I'm looking for a long position. I'm not going to jump into a trade that's already moving down. So again, we use all these together. So it said trade up because it was getting that pullback. But again, the PSAR was telling us that we were still continuing down, so that wouldn't be advisable, obviously. And then being that the PSAR is on top and it's already been trending for a while, I would be waiting because I don't want to get it at the very end and then it reverses on me, right? So we want to catch it after it changes direction. A user 7974, what is going on? Welcome to my live. We're in a long position with EURUSD. All right, let's see. And we're continuing up. We had this pullback here. Now we're getting green bars, so we're moving back up towards our profits. Hopefully we'll hit just a $25 profit that we're looking for. Hey, Penny Stacks, welcome back. All right. So we're moving on up. Hopefully we will hit our profit there. So we had a couple of trades earlier. So I said you do get losses sometimes. This 61% win rate, right? So you're going to take some losses sometimes. So it's the consistency. So for the last 24 hours, we are up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins. Plus what we're in right now. But we had more wins than losses as far as our each trade went. So we're currently up. Last 7 days, up 190. Last 30 days, we're up 2,189. So again, it's consistency, like I'm always talking about, right? It's just trade after trade after trade after trade, making those wins and losses. But as long as you're consistently making more wins than losses, your profit, your account will grow slowly over time. And that's all we're trying to do it, right? You're treating it like a business, right? And that's just what it takes. If you look at businesses and stuff, their profit margins are very, very small, but it's the consistency over time that's making them the millions that they do, because it's all these small transactions over and over again that's helping them. So that's all we're really doing here. All right, let's see. So again, we're in profits. Right now, $20, almost at 25 here on EURUSD. Watching Bitcoin as well. Still waiting to see if this is going to reverse, catch a long position. Trade down now on USD CAD. Again, these have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. Again, they're free to use. They don't cost anything. They're just coming off my streaming service. All you need is your email to sign up. Hey, Andy, what is going on? Welcome to my live. Hey, Ollie Monroe, did you get that figured out? All right, $22 here on EUR USD. We're almost in profit. We're literally like $3 away. We will see if we'll hit it. Let's look on the hour here. Yeah, on the hour, we're in the bottom range of this support line here from earlier or last couple days ago. So that's where we're getting this resistance. So we'll see what ends up happening there. This only takes a little bit more and we'll break that. Again, just looking for 50-point trades. Hey, Ollie, welcome back. Hopefully you got all that figured out for yourself. What time is it? I got 15 more minutes and then I've got to jump off of here. I've got to get ready for work. I still do have a 9-to-5 job like everybody else. All right, 23, 24. We're like $1 away. It'd be silly. All right. Still watching BTC. What else we got? Gold. What's gold doing? Gold is trending sideways. Hey, all right. Congratulations, you guys. Yeah, we just hit that profit. Congratulations again if you were following along. Signed up, but Discord didn't let me connect. Why do some people have problems with that? It's really weird. Some people jump right in and then other people can't. I just really don't get it. You can look for future capital trading. Let's see, what else can I do to help you? Yeah. Let me Control C. Let me go. Did you go to the link tree, Ollie? Did you go to Linktree? The link that I had, and it takes you to Linktree. Because I don't know if everybody does that. You did. Okay, hold on a second. I'm going to update my link again. Some people end up having to use asking. They have to get like they have to find me and join as a friend to make it work. All right. All right, Ollie, give that another try. I did just change the link for my Discord. That should work for you. It shouldn't be a problem. Let's see. You can also look me up as well if you need to ask to be friends or whatever. That's NH Moore, Moore 10. You can look me up that way as well and see if that will work for you if you want. If you want to go through the trouble. So I said we got a ton of information in here. So I said it's free. I don't know why we keep having problems. Certain people are having problems with those links. And I think that's why my Discord isn't as big as it is, because there's something going on with that.
USDJPY.
All right, let's see. Freaking technical difficulties. Bitcoin is still trending down. 39,746. I'll keep trying. I have to get to work. Thank you. Yeah, sorry about that. I know I gotta head to work here myself. Sorry they didn't work for you. Yeah, hopefully that link will work. If not, just try looking me up as a friend, and then I can have you join it that way. Again, NH Moore 10 is my user handle or whatever. Gold's, yeah, static, sideways. Bitcoin still trading down. Ethereum still trading down. Gold stacking. EURUSD. EURUSD is moving up nicely. Will there be a Zoom at 4? What time is it? 4? No, because I have to go to work tonight. And that doesn't happen as often. My schedule has changed. Because I'm working night shift now, so not right now. I might be going back to day shift soon if I get this other position. And then, yeah, maybe that will be able to continue again. But we'll see. But no, not right now.
Trade up now.
If you join the Discord, though, Ollie, I can always do
Trade up now.
depending on what your schedule is, I can always do
USD.
there's the room here, our meeting room that we have in the channels here for you to see. It's the meeting room, and you can go in there and we can do like a Zoom thing in there too. So even if it's not scheduled, if we have time, I can always schedule that in. I can show you that as well, 101 in the Discord. So hopefully you can get in, and then we can always do that too. Cool. Hopefully you have a good day at work. As I said, I'll be going myself here momentarily. I gotta get some breakfast and all that kind of stuff. All right. I think I skipped breakfast yesterday, because I was on here running until last minute. All right. There's nothing to trade right now because everything is already moving the same direction. Everything's waiting for the market to open for another 5 minutes. Hey, SAS, what is going on? Sometimes we can catch a couple of good trades in pre-market. All right. But now the market's about to open. Everybody's waiting. BTC USD. What's awesome with crypto is it's always running 24/7. It doesn't matter about market time, although it does affect it when the market opens anyway. Because that's when everybody seems to start trading. And now that Bitcoin it has ETFs, it's actually changing that as well. So this is actually moving up. BTC USD, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that would have been a trade. But I'd like this PSAR to reverse first before we jump into this. We're also underbought or oversold. So that looks like it's probably actually going to start moving up. So make sure that live button is on. Yep. All right, so let's see. As I said, I only got about 5 more minutes. I got to jump off. I might be able to catch into this trade here if it will reverse in time. Yeah, it's right there. Makes me want to jump in, but I really like watching the range bars here, looking for a pullback. Kind of like this here, you're looking for a pull, like a reversal pullback and then continuation. So if I could get 1 or 2 red bars, that would save my pips, right? So I would make a little more. I'd be able to jump into it a better position and then ride that up. So we might be getting that now. So there's that red bar. So that's what I'm waiting on. And then have this PSAR change all at the same time, and then we could jump into a long position. All right. And if you guys have any questions, definitely check out the link in my bio. And you can go to the Discord as well, as long as that link will work for you, as that seems to be has problems for people sometimes. Now, if you guys could too, please hit that like button. I would really, really appreciate it. It does help out my algorithm as well. All right. Oops. on here. Again, we're watching the range bars here, watching BTC USD. We're getting that pullback. Again, waiting to see if it's going to catch that reversal, and then we'll be in a long position. All right. Hey Edgar, what is going on? Wow, Doc Holly is back again. Oh no, I've hit the thing. All right. Tane Nugan, I think I've seen you before. Welcome back to my live. And there is that reversal for BTC USD breaking above. I'm going to jump into this. All right, there we go. So we're in a trade with BTC USD, long position here. And then we're going to set this in place. Was that 938? So we're going to do 838. Yeah, that's 50. Oops. $50 trade. So I have that stop loss in place and take profits in place. So it's 100 points. It's a 100-point trade, $50 in money. So we're moving up. We are in profit already, up $10, $11. See if we'll hit that $50 trade. Again, we're just watching and catching those reversals and pullbacks. And the RSI was heading up, breaking the 50. The PSAR just reversed, and then we're all green here on the range bars. If you guys want to learn more completely for free, join the Discord link in my bio. I'm going to have a whole bunch of training videos on how to use the range bars, how to use PSAR, how to set your stop loss and take profit, and how to catch these reversals and pullbacks. All right, 2 more minutes, and then I'm got to jump off and I got to get going to work. If you have any questions, please hit me up. So I'm always in Discord as well. You guys can always talk to me there also, and I can show you guys things on the side too that I can't show you here, as I usually don't have time. All right. Hey gang, welcome to my live, you guys. So I'm just getting ready to jump off of here in the next 30 seconds. Now I gotta go. So we're already in a trade with BTC USD. Again, we're trading on TradeXN is the name of the broker. No trading fees and low spreads. You can check those out. Again, we trade crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. These are the range bars. You can get them in the link in my bio by going to Linktree or futurecapitaltrading.net. You can get them there as well. It's on a streaming service and they are free. Again, we have cryptos, indices, stocks, and forex. Again, these only move off points and not time, and they're back tested 50 years. So again, if you have any questions, definitely hit me up. So I said, join the link in my bio. All right, you guys, I'm going to jump off of here again. Thank you for joining along and for following. I do appreciate that as always. And I will catch you guys maybe tonight, actually. So y'all have a great day. I will see you all later.